So basically I cut the ends about the same. I stripped the casing off, or the shielding off, with a razor blade. I just spin the blade around the wire and then pop her off. I always solder and heat shrink. Always, always, always. So I'll set that up. Alright, we'll show you guys how I cut wire. So I just hold it like that, and then I just friggin' spin her around and apply a little bit of pressure, and then that's all there is to it. That way, if you're not too hard, you don't cut through the wires, and it beats trying to clamp it with friggin' pliers. So now I'll do green on black. Since I'm heat shrinking and soldering this, I'll put the wires in the middle and twist them around each other so that it's like that. Okay, so again, I'll put the wires in the middle of each other and fold them around each other. Just like that. And now the soldering part. I always heat it up from underneath. I melt a little bit onto it, and then I wait until it's hot. And then I just feed it. And Bob's your uncle. Okay, so soldering's done. I already did the other one. Now once they cool down a bit, I'll slide the heat shrink over and shrink them up. Yeah. And now we're done. So now I'll just put some conduit over that, and then slide it down in there, screw her on, and then run the wires. Yeah.